So today, I'm going to share one more groundbreaking AI tool with you guys that allows you to change the clothes seamlessly. This AI tool is for free right now, and it is too easy to use and generate very detailed images. So let's move on to our video. So this is called DressPlay AI, and this is the URL. You will also find this URL in the description below, and this is the website. And you can see we have two options here. You can use this AI tool for free on a Discord server, but if you want to use its web interface, you have to pay for it. And I think this is the only limitation with this AI tool. So we are going to try both of these versions, web version and the Discord version. So let's try the web version. You need to sign in the website before using the web version. Here we are limited with some models and cloths for free. So try with them. Let's try this model at first. And I am gonna put this t-shirt to this guy. So I gonna select the t-shirt and hit the generate. There we go. We have a very quick response. You can see the guy wear the t-shirt which we selected. If you want to download this one, just click the download button. Now let's move on to the bottom. So here we have a bottom section, so I am gonna click on that. And let's try this guy as a reference. And we are going to try this cargo trouser and again hit generate. And boom, here are the output results, and you can see how good it actually is. So if I compare both of these images side by side, so this was the initial image and this is the after. And I think this is so perfect that you cannot actually tell this is AI generated right. And this is very beneficial for the small businesses who cannot hire those expensive photo shoots. So let's move on to the Discord version now. At first, you need to customize the photo for avoiding errors. So come on canva.com and select the custom size button and select the width 720 pixels and the height 960 and hit this button. So now you can see we have this Canva. So from the upload section, you can simply click on this upload button and upload your model image. So I have this model here. Now drag and drop your model and try to adjust our model in this canvas. So once you are satisfied, hit download. Now let's move on to the Discord version. Get back to the main page and click on this Join the Beta Discord. Now just accept the invite and you will be redirected to its Discord server. So this is the announcement section, but we need to go to the generate room. So we have two options. You can select any one of them. And from here you guys can see a lot of generations generated by community. Now to upload your own images, you just have to type / and hit generate. And from here you have to upload your model image and the clothing image. I'm going to upload my model image here, so this is going to be our model image. And now I just want this lady to wear this top and make sure to select the type. So you can see we have this type, so if we click on that you can see we have top, bottom, one-piece outfit. So if you want to replace the top, you have to select the top, and if you want to replace the bottom, you have to select the bottoms, and if you want to change the one-piece dress, obviously, you have to select the one-piece outfit. So in my case, I'm going to select the top and hit enter. Alright, so this is the output image and look at that. We added a half-sleeves top for that we have faced some issues with that. So we're going to try something else. Like I'm going to try this lady, and let's try this top this time. And hit enter. Alright, so this is the output image, and look at that. Now she's wearing the exact same top, and it looks much better. So your outputs depends on your input images. Like in this example, you can see this was the initial image, and now she's wearing this dress, and it looks very natural. So, your output results depend on your input image and the composition of your input images and the angles of your input images. So this is one more example. You can see it looks very natural. And right now, this is free in the Discord server. I don't know how long this will be free, so the link is in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from today. I hope you guys learned something new, and if you guys did, give it a like and see you guys in the next one.